We found it hidden inside an old barn, covered in dust.
The body panels were corroded, the engine was frozen, interior completely destroyed. But the frame, every bolt removed, every panel carefully separated. The transformation begins with breaking it down to its bones.
Years of corrosion stripped away. Layer by layer, the original metal reappears.
The heart of the beast, the legendary V8, completely rebuilt, cleaned,
The iconic two-tone paint returns, turquoise and white, just like 1955.
New leather seats, chrome details polished, dashboard restored to factory perfection. After decades of silence, it was time. And just like that, history breathes again.
From rust to glory, the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, reborn, a timeless masterpiece, back on the road.